My name is Montserrat Castaño Gómez. I teach A-level Spanish, and the A-level Spanish is divided into 2 years, year 1 and year 2. We cover the 4 themes. They're covering from family and society in Spain, work, the world of work in Spain, tourism. So the impact of tourism in Spain, the impact of the work and women as well. So it's quite wide in that way. And then another theme, then theme 3 is immigration, and then theme 4 is more history and is a dictatorship in Spain. In Spanish, we also, the lessons are quite active. The students get to practice at the same time that they are learning. We do loads of speaking practice in class, but also there's the enrichment offered to the students to do speaking practice in smaller groups or in 2s, even in 1s, if they need a bit of support or they want to practice it a little bit more. And then we go over in that enrichment, we go over material themes that we have done in lesson. There's also the possibility of going to Spain, but at the moment, as the situation is, that is not possible, but it is also an enrichment that we offered as well. There's some of them that they like to carry on at university, and they choose Spanish and English perhaps. There's different opportunities at the time of work as well, and they can focus on translation, and it would be quite wide, the translation, the teaching as well in university. So and there are universities that they appreciate foreign languages as well, right? So it would be good for them. So they have got different opportunities after college, definitely, and learning another foreign language would help them as well. Pues muchas gracias por haber escuchado este vídeo y espero veros muy pronto y que podáis disfrutar el aprendizaje de la lengua española. Gracias.